All right, so lately you've probably seen those AI videos showing celebrities in their old movie roles and then transforming into their present day versions. Super nostalgic, super viral.
今年的圣诞装饰真漂亮。
And the best part, it's actually really easy to make. Let's break it down. Step 1, the prompt, the most important part. When we're talking about AI, the most important thing is the prompt. If your prompt is good, your result will be good. For this trend, I've already prepared 2 prompts for you, an image prompt and a video prompt. And as usual, you can get them for free on my website. The link is in the description below. Step 2, generate the image. Now let's create the image first. Start by going to my website and copying the image prompt. Before you use it, make sure you edit it first by filling in the celebrity's name, the character they played, and the movie title. If the celebrity has already passed away, just add the words "passed away" after their name. When you do that, the AI will automatically generate the present version with angel wings, which adds a really emotional touch. Next, open Google and search for a photo of the actor when they were playing that character in the movie. Download that. Then search again for their most recent photo and download that too. After you've saved both images, head over to the Imagine.art website. I've placed the link in the description. Log into your account and open the image generation tool. Upload the 2 photos you downloaded earlier, then paste the image prompt into the prompt box. Now open the settings. I usually choose the Nano Banana 2 model, but feel free to use your favorite model if you have one. Make sure the aspect ratio stays at 9:16 in portrait mode. For my settings, I normally use 4 variations and set the resolution to 2K, but you can adjust these depending on your preference. Once everything looks good, click Generate and wait a few seconds. When the results appear, choose the one you like the most and download it, because we'll use that image in the next step. Step 3, generate the video. Now it's time to turn that image into a cinematic AI video. Go back to my website and copy the video prompt. Then return to Imagine.art, but this time open the video generation tool. Upload the image you just downloaded, and paste the video prompt into the field. After that, open the settings again. This time, I recommend choosing the Kling 3.0 Pro model, although there are many other models available if you want to experiment. Make sure the aspect ratio stays at 9:16 and set the duration to around 6 seconds so it fits perfectly for short-form content. When everything is ready, click Generate and wait a few minutes while the AI processes your video. And that's it. Your AI transformation video is ready. Final step. From here, you can simply repeat the same process for other celebrities from the same movie. Once you've generated all the clips you need, combine them in your favorite video editing app. Add some text, smooth transitions, and maybe an emotional background soundtrack to really boost the nostalgia factor. And just like that, your viral-ready AI transformation video is finished.